Hi, Lucas. This is Riley from AnyBiz. We don't know each other. If I mention this is a cold call, would that ruin your Thursday agenda?
So I was wondering, how can AI cold calling actually help my business to grow?
In general, AI-powered cold calling can help your business grow by making your outreach much more efficient and scalable.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, by the way.
Oh, thanks for the tip, Lucas. I'll definitely check out your channel.
What you just heard isn't video editing. Instead, it's the AI agent behind our automated cold calling outreach. So if you're curious to know how AI cold calling looks and sounds, besides how it can actually grow your business tremendously, stick with me to the very end of this video. I promise you won't regret it. Let's go then. Now, allow me to explain for you real quick what exactly AI cold calling stands for. AI cold calling leverages artificial intelligence to automate the process of reaching out to new clients. To do that, it uses large language models like GPT, for example, to generate human-like conversations, like the one you just heard, ensuring that each individual interaction sounds natural and personalized. On the other hand, machine learning continuously improves the AI's performance by analyzing past interactions, refining its responses, predicting the best approach to each lead. Additionally, AI cold calling systems are absolutely capable of targeting specific audiences or personas by analyzing customer real data, ensuring that outreach keeps being relevant. But now, you might be wondering how exactly it works, right? Well, usually, our competitors use the following logic. You, the customer, for example, fill in your company's details, write in everything by yourself. Then, you get to decide how the AI agent will actually do the follow-up, step by step, message by message, the frequency he's going to do the follow-up, the time to perform that action, and so on. So it is an automation, but it takes some time because you have to do that by yourself. You got to type in everything. Now, at AnyBiz, we like to do things differently. We use machine learning to determine the best time, frequency, and customer journey phase. So our AI agent will automatically determine at which phase of the sales funnel your leads actually are, if they're interested or not, considering, converting, and so on. And based on that, our AI will automatically decide the best next step to take. But it's not like all of that process is being hidden from you. At AnyBiz, we actually let you look by yourself all the thinking our AI is doing to deliver you all the results you see on the dashboard. And of course, because of the machine learning, the more your AI sales agent is working, the more precise and effective it will get. It's really impressive, let me tell you. Well, now that you know what AI cold calling actually stands for and how it works, it is now time to answer one of the most common questions. How to choose the best AI cold calling software? Let me break it down for you. So the first thing you want to look at is the effectiveness and conversion rates. So the primary concern is how well the AI cold calling software can actually convert leads into clients, how well the AI engages prospects, maintains a natural conversation flow, and ultimately converts those interactions into leads. So we're looking at high success rates in terms of booking meetings or securing follow-ups. Those will be your crucial metrics in that case. The second thing you want to look at is the ease of integration and setup. In other words, how easily you can integrate the AI cold calling system to your existing CRM, email platforms, and sales workflows overall. The quicker and easier it is to implement, the better. That's why a software that requires minimal training or technical setup will be way more attractive, as it reduces operational friction and of course allows your team to scale much faster. Now, the third thing you want to make sure to look at before choosing your AI cold calling system is of course the traditional cost versus return, right? So decision makers will make sure the investment they're making over a tool like that, so sophisticated, will return more money than it actually is taking, right? And this includes factors like the cost of the software, the time saved by automating cold calls, and of course the potential increase in sales generated by this tool. So the decision usually hinges on whether the AI solution will significantly boost productivity and sales performance, making it a worthwhile investment that actually will pay itself naturally. Well, now that you've heard all the factors you gotta bear in mind when choosing the best cold calling software for your business, I'll show you what one of our clients, Gareth from QE Modular Structures, has to say about our AI cold calling system.
Can you share a specific result or success story that makes you think that you're growing?
A lead came in about a year and a half ago through AnyBiz on that. Now, bearing in mind, we don't sell toothpaste. We sell high-end big structures. So our sales process goes from anything from 7 months to 5 years. So the lead came in about a year and a half ago. Sam interacted with that lead, and then we put our term sales process. And we closed that lead, and then taken about a year, but we delivered a very good project. It's a great flagship type job to get over the line, and we will get repeat business on the back of that one job that came in as well. So from that perspective, it was excellent. That was an AnyBiz lead over a year ago.
Today, you learn how AI cold calling not only delivers tangible results, but multiplies them at an incredible pace, while saving you hours of repetitive tasks. It's extremely effective and sounds human, as you heard yourself, not to mention the impressive results that one of our clients shared here today. And at the same time, our tool is fast and easy to implement into your workflow. And that's why many are relying on AnyBiz to shape their AI cold calling campaigns for Black Friday. However, as I mentioned in the last video, but I'll summarize here again, you need to start a campaign with anticipation if you want to ensure the best results possible. That said, I invite you to book a call with one of our team members, yes, a real human if you're wondering, so you can gear up for the best Black Friday your business has ever had. Don't forget to watch the suggested video to understand further details on how AI sales agents work and what's the technology behind them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.